Have you noticed sewage backing up into your basement, or unpleasant odors lingering near your drains? Or perhaps your ejector pump is making strange noises or running non-stop without effectively removing wastewater. These are signs you are having problems with your sewage ejector pump system. We are the experts to call when situations like this arise. Contact us, and we'll get to your home as fast as possible to assess the situation and recommend the best solution. A failing ejector pump may show several warning signs, including foul odors from the pit, unusual noises, clogs in the system, or an inability to keep up with wastewater removal. Before we start, we'll inspect your current ejector pump, check the area around it, and ensure the power source is functional. Once we confirm the need for replacement, we'll carefully remove the old pump and install a new, high-quality model designed to handle your home's specific needs. Proper installation is key to ensuring your new pump runs efficiently and lasts for years to come. Don't wait until a backup causes costly damage to your home. Contact us today for professional ejector pump replacement services.